Hello everybody, let's prepare a delicious and healthy breakfast. To begin with, we need to take 2 eggs and pour them into a heated pan. At this stage, you can add salt and pepper. When the egg sets a little, mix it so that it comes out in pieces. Remove from the pan. Next, we cut the cabbage about half. Then cut the carrots. We send the cabbage and carrots to the pan and fry them. Add soy sauce, about 1 tablespoon. Add the egg here and cook for another 2-3 minutes. At the end, I added Italian herbs.